Hi, my name is Quan. I'm with AAA, and I'm here to show you how to use the B2Q battery tester. Alright, so we want to put our B2Q on our battery, making sure that we leave enough space for our jump box, and take a look at the results. Next, we want to put the jumper box on the battery, making sure you're putting the positive on first and then the negative at some point away from the battery. Let's get this vehicle started. Now that we've got the vehicle started, let's go ahead and open up our B2Q app, hitting the plus symbol to go to a new test. And we're going to test the battery installed in vehicle. Here's where you would put your AAA call number. We're going to go ahead and put in AAA test because we're just doing a test. Once you do that, we're going to go ahead and look up the VIN. Now that we've got the VIN, let's go ahead and get information about the battery. We're going to go ahead and look up the battery barcode. You have three options that you can do right here. You can either scan the battery barcode if there is one and it's undamaged, read the numbers off the bottom of the barcode, or enter the information in manually. We're going to go ahead and enter it in manually. You'll hit this pencil and it'll say right here, as you can see, it'll enter the battery barcode off the bottom of the battery. So we just cancel that and say enter manually from the battery, and we'll enter in the information that we've gotten from the Club Assist toolbox because we looked it up before we got here. So I know that it's 740 cold cranking amps, or the state of charge. I also know the battery brand is an OEM because it's still the original battery that's in the car. And the model is the group size number, which is a 48. Once I have that information in, I'm going to go ahead and scan the battery test code. It's going to ask us if we want to email this report to an owner. We absolutely want to make sure every single time we ask the member if they want their test results. If they say no, then go ahead and say no. And as you can see, we have a full system test with all 4 bars, and green is good, yellow is marginal, red is always bad, and it looks like we have a good battery here.